Every resident in the town of Hempstead deserves to take care of every tax exemption they can. And there's nothing more frustrating than finding residents who aren't taking advantage of them. And today we're announcing a program where the Town Clerk Sylvia Cabana and I will be working together to put forth a program in translation in Spanish to help every single resident in the town of Hempstead enjoy every tax exemption they can, and frankly they will take part of after we start this program. For years we've been doing programs in the town of Hempstead where we go out and we talk to residents about exemptions they can take advantage of, from the STAR to the Enhanced STAR to the senior citizens to the veterans discount. We also initiated a program years ago where we go out and we show residents how to challenge their assessment themselves, thereby saving themselves thousands of dollars in taxes and getting to keep the money themselves. But what we've noticed is that residents who inquire, call in, we do not see a certain amount of Spanish-speaking residents taking part of it. There are over 150,000 Hispanic residents in the town of Hempstead.
Here, I attended one of his seminars, and I was listening to him speak, and I'm like, wow, wouldn't it be great to get this information out to the Hispanic community? Both offices have people that speak Spanish, so both of us, we did the translations in my office. It would be reviewed. We went back and forth, so we were able to generate these great things in Spanish and English. How excellent is that? And as Don was saying, in the town of Hempstead, about 20% of the people identify as some kind of Spanish, Hispanic. So this is important. This is very important that we get this type of information out to the community.
That means that taxpayers, who frankly are probably underrepresented in taking advantage of programs, are finally going to get the tools needed to show them how to enjoy the tax benefits they are legally entitled to. And in addition to that, Sylvia is going to work with me on also adding in part of the program how to challenge your assessment yourself. There are records amount of residents challenging their assessments in Nassau County, and has been reported by local media, minority communities, Hispanic communities are not challenging their assessments to the rate of other communities. Sylvia has also taken it upon herself with me to translate every single one of our documents in the town of Hempstead in relation to the exemptions that are available for them, either for challenging their assessment and or for also filing for exemptions. We see thousands of taxpayers on a regular basis. This year alone, I held 36 forums where we averaged over 100 people coming to workshops. And we should be reaching out to every single community, every single resident. And working with Sylvia, you know what, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to be reaching out to those residents who, you know what, didn't know they were entitled, or didn't have the means, or frankly, didn't have something or somebody there who could help them understand.
When I got involved in government, this is exactly what I envisioned, the kind of thing that I wanted to do with the community. As an immigration attorney, I would see many of my clients and I would see their taxes, and I would see how the forms were not filled out correctly. They were not taking advantage of certain programs, of certain exemptions, and it was sad. They were paying, a lot of money that could have been saved.
We've been over here for many, many years, 40 years in the community in Nassau County, and working with the community, and this is the first time in my history that without asking, something of that importance is being presented to the community.
We want to expand these programs and reach out to the 20% of the town of Hempstead, residents who are underrepresented, and to have a partner in Sylvia and partners like Gil and everybody else up here who represent these residents, these hardworking men and women who are entitled to these programs. Don't take advantage of it, and we're going to put an end to that. We're going to work hard, we're going to get out there, and we're going to start the program. It starts, I know, next week. We're going to be at the Freeport Library. We're going to be at the Elmont Valley Stream, East Meadow, Oceanside Library. If you'd like to learn a little bit more, go to the Town of Hempstead website. We have a listing of all of them. It's a great day for every resident in the Town of Hempstead. And again, I appreciate the support of everybody coming here, and I look forward to helping residents with Sylvia save money across.